Hey guys, so I wanted to touch base on a new feature in Lightroom. It's a really cool feature and a lot of you are going to love it. So let's talk about horizon lines and skies really quick. If you're aware of my shooting style, I very rarely put a subject's head over a horizon line because it does lose that definition. As you can see, it's just a little like blurry-ish compared to the definition and contrast we have in the rest of the body. I tend to like to put the head below the horizon line so that it will not get washed out. But let's work on an image where you're wanting to bring the tones down in the sky and create a little more definition. So I put my preset on this image. I'm going to tweak it kind of the way that I like it. And now I'm going to come up and I'm going to come to my radial gradient, my gradients kind of area, and I am going to choose select sky. Okay, so as you can see, this is dialing around. It's now selected the sky. So now what I can do is I can bring the tones down in that sky. I can bring a little blue in it by bringing down the exposure. I can bring down the blacks, give it a little definition and punch, and I can also bring down the highlights. Don't do this too much, don't be too heavy-handed with it, but this brings a lot more definition into my sky. And so I just want to jump on real quick and show you that new feature. I hope that was helpful. If you are not part of the LMP Collective, please join. It is a Facebook group. It is free. And come hang out with us and learn stuff like this almost every day. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys later.